Hi friends, welcome to CADventure. In this video, we will be seeing how to make this kind of basic shape in AutoCAD. To make this, we'll be using two tools in AutoCAD. One is line tool, second is ortho mode tool. Let's get started. I'll select my line tool. I'll make sure my ortho is on. If this is being highlighted in blue color, it means it is on. I'll start creating from here. We'll be creating in this format 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and go on. So I'll go in this direction. I'll type 15, enter. I'll go up 3, enter. Left 4, enter. Up 5, enter. Left 5, enter. Down 4, enter. Left 6, enter. And down 5, enter. So you see, I made a mistake here. Instead of typing 4, I typed 5, enter. So what can I do? I can use this undo and it will undo my last action, and now I can type correct value, that is 4, enter. Now there are two things. What is ortho mode? First, ortho mode helps us to create straight lines easily. Okay, it restricts our pointers movement left, right, down and up. That's it. Second thing, once you're done with line, it will keep continue creating, so you need to press escape to come out. That's it. We are done here with this shape. See you in the next video where I explain how to make this one. Bye bye.